Transcription number 380. Sir, the Tariff Commission, having once forwarded the common agreement between the cane growers and the factory owners, now tries to modify that accord or agreement. It talks of deduction from excess profits on account of the rehabilitation of factories and export losses. If I mistake not, sir, government itself in one of its letters dated the 14th April 2011 told the Mill Owners Association that factories were not entitled to export loss, and they based this argument on a certain calculation of prices into the details of which I need not go. Now, in regard to rehabilitation, I might say if of the two, the factories and the cane growers, rehabilitation is needed. It is rehabilitation of the cane growers that is needed most. We know in many parts of India, the sugarcane growers suffer sometimes from drought and sometimes from floods. These days, due to heavy floods in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the sugarcane growers have suffered considerably. So, if the government is really keen about rehabilitation and if the Tariff Commission is equally solicitous of the interests of the capitalist and the cane growers, then we should insist on a rehabilitation fund for the help of the sugar growers who suffer on account of drought or on account of floods. Instead of that, the Tariff Commission talks of rehabilitation of the mill owners as if the mill owners suffer more from calamities than the cane growers, as if the mill owners are weaker of the two. Sir, the Food Minister has tried to point out that sufficient attention must be paid to the recommendations of such an important body as the Tariff Commission. Is the government prepared to implement all the recommendations of the Tariff Commission?